Hi everyone, welcome back to another tips and trick video on Microsoft Teams. Today we're going to be looking at how quickly you can edit a typo on your message. Let's start by saying we all make typos. Sometimes you're caught in the moment of typing and forget to review your sentence before you hit send. Instead of having to hover over the message to find the three dots to edit the message, there's a shortcut that you can do by simply double tapping the up arrow on your keyboard to allow you to be able to go back to edit your message. Here we'll go ahead and make the changes needed. And once you're satisfied that all correction has been made, you can simply hit enter on your keyboard again, or select the check mark to signify that you're done. Bonus, you can also do this in an existing conversation thread in a Teams channel. Here you can see I have this conversation thread with a few typos. We first need to select the reply button, but here we only have to hit the up arrow once. Again, make the correction to your text. And once you're done, you can select enter or the check mark to signify that you're done. All right, and that's how you can quickly edit a typo on your message. For more tips and tricks, be sure to hit the subscribe button and bell to get notified when we upload new videos. If you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment below. We'll see you next time.